Hello everyone and welcome back to the Devlog for Real Communism, my city builder game. Let's check out this week's progress. This week started off pretty poorly. Because of the changes that I made to the road, an issue arose where the truck would not travel past the X value of 0, regardless of the starting point. It took me a few days to fix this problem, mainly because I couldn't figure out what was causing it. At first I thought it was the navigation filter that was being used for one of the box collisions on the actor, but it wasn't fixing the problem. I moved on to other theories with the same result, and it was driving me crazy. Finally, I found that it actually was the navigation filter, but I was attempting to set the filter to be one of the few that I've made or none at all. The actual problem was that it needed to be set to the default filter by checking a box directly underneath the filter selection bar. And now it's working fine. Once that was out of the way, I actually made some decent progress. I realized that I didn't finish adding the food building assignments on load, so I finished that up. There was also an issue where citizens weren't being assigned to their spouse on load. This technically affected their kids as well, but it was kind of all part of the same problem. Essentially just referencing a null actor reference instead of the raw values necessary for the game to remember between plays. I also updated a few more of the assignment UIs to be in line with the current design. And I added another song, bringing the total up to 6. And I did all that while I didn't even get to work on the game yesterday. My wife and I went to Atlanta to see Dylan Gossett in concert, and we ended up staying there to celebrate our 10-year wedding anniversary, which is this upcoming Friday. We actually saw him before the concert started, as he was going to get like a coffee or something while we were walking to dinner. We didn't want to bother him with a picture, but I gave him a Dylan, and he gave me a wave and a hello and everything, but it was really cool. The game is certainly starting to play a lot better. It still feels like there's a lot that needs to be fixed, but it seems like the core mechanics of the game are running relatively well most of the time. I'm hoping to have all of the bugs fixed and the game balanced by the end of November. If I'm able to do that, then that gives me all of December to clean up the Steam page a bit and put a demo out. Please support the game by wishlisting it on Steam. You can find a link to that in the description. If you want to keep up with the development progress of this game, you can subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on X/Twitter at Hayden_Marlowe_ or on TikTok at Marlowe Development. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.